at least once in every 1 week. Use a correct disinfectant that is safe for your birds. Check on the feed. If the feeding is low, you should ensure that they are eating dry feed that is free from coccidiosis. And once you get the early signs, use a correct antiprotozoa to eradicate the disease before it increases in number. Always ensure that you observe the general hygiene. You never go along with hygiene. Once you observe the environment of your coop, you'll be free from coccidiosis, infectious coryza, and other protozoa infections. Was it helpful? Kindly support by subscribing. Thank you.